Okay, so now let us discuss the long division of polynomials. So I know na familiar na kayo sa long division kasi elementary pa lang ginagawa na yan. So ano ba yung long division of polynomials? A long division of polynomials is a method used to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Same to long division with numbers. It helps in simplifying complex polynomial expressions by dividing one polynomial or tinatawag nating dividend by another polynomial which is the divisor to obtain a quotient and a remainder. So, ayun po yung long division of polynomials. Ngayon, paano ba mag-long division gamit ang polynomials? So, nasanay tayo na ginagamit natin yan, number lang. Pero ngayon, hahaluan na natin ng mga operations, variables, may mga degree na, and so on. So now, let us have an example of long division of polynomials. Okay, so now let us have an example first. X cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 6 divided by the x minus 2. So, ang tawag po natin dito sa itong nasa loob na parang bahay, ito po, ang tawag po natin dyan is the dividend. Ito po, dividend. Ito po, itong nasa loob, yung mahaba. And ito namang nasa labas, ito po, ang tawag po natin dyan is the divisor. Okay po. So, ayan, tandaan nyo yan, ano. Itong malaki na to, yung nasa loob na parang bahay na to, ang tawag is the dividend. And ito naman po, yung dinidivide natin sa labas, yung konti lang is the divisor. Po, so now, let us now divide. So first, we need to get the first term of the dividend, which is the x cubed. And then, i-divide mo naman to sa first term ng ating divisor, which is x. And x cubed divide x, that is x squared. So, ito na po yung ilalagay nyo dyan sa taas, x squared. And then, itong x squared, imumultiply mo naman sa divisor. We have x squared times x minus 2. Then, i-apply natin si distributive property. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 2, that is negative 2x squared. And itong dalawang to, dito mo ilalagay yan. X cubed minus 2x squared. So now, let us subtract x cubed minus x cubed. Just cancel. And negative 4x squared minus 2x squared. That is, magiging positive to. So, magiging negative 2x squared. Okay po. Nakakasunod pa ba? And then, bring down 3x. Bring down 3x. And then, balik ulit. Divide. Kukunin mo yung first term na to. Dito na tayo kukunin. So, we have negative 2x squared. Kukunin mo ulit yung first term ng divisor, which is x. And negative 2x squared divide x, that is negative 2. And then x squared divide x, that is negative 2x. And dito mo naman ilalagay sa taas, negative 2x. So now, kukunin mo ulit tong negative 2x, imumultiply mo sa divisor. So we have negative 2x times divisor natin is x minus 2. And negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. And negative 2x times negative 2, that is positive 4x. And ito naman, lalagay mo na dito. So we have negative 2x squared plus 4x. Okay po. So now, let us subtract negative 2x squared minus 2x squared, or just simply cancel. And then 3x minus 4x, kasi we are going to subtract 3x minus 4x, that is negative x. And then bring down negative 6. Okay po. So now, dito na tayo kukuha. Yung first term ng nandito, yun yung i-divide natin. So we have negative x divide negative x, kukunin natin yung first term ng divisor, which is x. So the answer is negative 1. So lalagay mo dito sa taas is negative 1. And itong negative 1, multiply mo naman sa ating divisor, which is x minus 2. Apply the distributive property. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times negative 2, that is positive 2. And then dito mo naman ilalagay negative x and then positive 2. So now, cancel. So ito, negative 6 minus plus 2. Kasi nagsusubtract tayo eh. So we have negative 6 minus positive 2. So negative times positive, that is negative 2. So negative 6 and negative 2, that is negative 8. So ito na po yung dulo. Or kapag napunta na po kayo sa isang number na lang, ang tawag po natin dyan is the remainder. Okay po? Remainder. And ito pong nasa taas na nakuha natin, ang tawag po natin dyan is the quotient. Okay po, again, yung nakuha nyo, yung pinakadulo, which is negative 8, ang tawag po natin dyan is the remainder or yung natira. And then yung nakuha naman natin sa taas, ayan po yung tinatawag nating quotient. Okay po. So, ganoon lang po mag-long division of polynomials. So, next, magdi-divide naman tayo ng polynomials pero short way. Okay po. Thank you.